Life sciences have already embraced 2D codes. Now retail has recognized the value of QR codes, powered by GS1, containing variable data that supports everything from traceability to dynamic pricing. They are driving transformation and challenging suppliers to integrate this capability into their packaging lines. The challenge is printing high-quality, variable 2D codes that scan first time at point of sale. Domino's GX Series Pro offers the solution, with print heights up to 23 mm per print head, resolution up to 1200 dpi, high-speed performance, and a throw distance up to 10 mm. It's built for demanding production environments. By centralizing label management with Domino automation and adding Domino vision systems for real-time code verification, Domino delivers a fully integrated coding solution, boosting productivity, reducing waste, and maximizing uptime. In fresh food, embedded expiry dates enable retailers to introduce dynamic pricing, reduce food waste, and simplify product recalls. In pharma, compliant inks, precision printing, and serialized code verification support strict regulatory requirements. For direct-to-box coding, high optical density and large print areas ensure readability across the entire supply chain. From supplier to store, Domino helps reduce risk and waste, benefiting every stakeholder across the product journey. QR codes powered by GS1, printed and verified by Domino,